Mary Palyado, the PPT Chairman of CADI. I am going to present to you the sub-project concept form of Barangay CADI. CADI, Senator Ninoy Aquino, Sultan Kudarat. The project proposed is the construction of 1 unit 2 classroom school building. Doon lang kayo tumingin sa projector. Dito lang kasi ako magbasa sa aking folder. 1 construction of 1 unit 2 classroom buildings ang proposed project. Anong category? Of course, public goods. And ano ang ma-address sini nga project? Mayara kita tatlo: increase enrollment and participation rate. Number 2, community improvement or development, and high pupils performance. Of course, sa CADI, within 30 years nga pag-exist ang CADI Elementary School, ang CADI may aral lang siya nga 2 ka classroom. 2 lang ka permanent classroom. We are making our classes dun sa stage open. During rainy days, nagahinugyaw ang among kabataan kaya wala na naman kami klase. Kay open. So maghangin, sadya naman sila kay yehey ulan, wala klase. Okay, ang technical description, physical target 196 square meter and cost parameter 6,830.